A DAO investor group wants to buy Blockbuster and revive it as a decentralized movie streaming service. The investors via a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization, are aiming to raise at least $5 million to purchase the nostalgic and historic company. In a certain way, I would say that it's those underlying feelings, nostalgia and just it being historic and people's love for it, are kind of what resonated with a lot of people about GameStop and AMC. And then this is a post from the Blockbuster DAO. It's time to liberate and brand from purgatory and give it a new lease on life. A brand of the people should be owned by the people and governed by the people. Even the name Blockbuster lends itself to becoming a Web3 product. Now, Web3 itself, it's not, if you look it up in Merriam-Webster, it doesn't have a hardcore definition. It's generically being used to describe the newest iteration of the internet. So Web 1 is a little bit more of just like kind of read only, like it's a big encyclopedia. And then from there, you saw the development of things that are a little bit more specific to the user because they're doing data mining. And Web 3 is some unagreed upon definition of kind of taking back your data in like the new age, the new iteration of the internet from the current like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok model we currently have now, where it's a lot of data like I guess mining off of you and selling and then curtailing your internet experience to basically everything like in that world where they know a lot about you that you didn't even know you were giving up. But anyway, there's a good chance that you've heard about these DAOs before. I previously covered it where there was Constitution DAO attempting to buy a copy of the Constitution, and then instead Ken Griffin ended up buying it, and that caused obviously the internet to go into an uproar. But that was kind of proof of very quickly a lot of people can mobilize to do one specific goal. And right here, Blockbuster DAO has the goal of kind of saving Blockbuster and turning it into a decentralized movie streaming service. Very, very interesting. I'm going to throw out a little bit of a Hail Mary projection right here. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. I think the odds of me being right are relatively low. If Blockbuster DAO is successful, I'm calling out for it again. I think there could be a way that it actually ends up having some weird partnership with AMC. Let's stamp it December 28th. This, like I said, could take very serious time, but I just wanted on record that I think that's a clear probability. The group is proposing to raise $5 million or more by selling Blockbuster DAO non-fungible tokens, once again, NFTs, at 0.13 ETH or about $530 as of Monday. The money would be used to purchase the Blockbuster brand from Dish Network. Just so you know, right now, Blockbuster, like all that legal entity, is actually owned by Dish Network. But the DAO foresees needing a portion of the funds to raise to run a PR campaign to put pressure on Dish Network to sell the brand. If the purchase is successful, the DAO's roadmap for Blockbuster includes developing an NFT presence for further fundraising that would support activities such as buying movies from the film circuit. It also envisions creating a movie pass subscription model for decentralized streaming platform and investing in the development of original content. Now, obviously, this is very new and it's exciting. Let's see how it all plays out. If you want to stay up with it, right here, I would say the best way you could actually do it is on Twitter at Blockbuster DAO. They've recently been talking about it. They had some really cool posts right around Christmas, and they're still posting. I'm actually going to throw them a follow myself, but obviously it's pretty funny. But if you want to see if you're at all interested in supporting it, if you just want to see what they're doing, because these DAOs, I mean, a lot of it gets exciting. It's new and it's already growing, and I don't know. I think this will be a pretty exciting storyline. And as you can see, as a DAO, it looks like they have, what do they have right here? Like an old, not a VCR. Is it not a VCR? I guess a cassette or something. Is it a cassette? A cassette? Kind of similar to mine. I just did mine on Ape. I think someone before was suggesting how could the world of apes and the ape supporters get into DAOs, and I think there's a lot of opportunity. And what's cool is when it's like kind of a decentralized group, there's no one leader, and that's exactly what the apes are. It's all voted upon by all the people within the community. So I think there's very, very interesting opportunity right there.